All right, so one of the things I talk about a lot is the drills. And so for me, before I started taking the downtime, what I do in my downtime serious, taking drilling serious, um, I would come to the range and it would take me 3 or 4 rounds to kind of get on target and get centered in. So I'm hitting the X. But since I've been very consistently working on my drills at home or when traveling, I've been consistently showing up and being on target out of the gates. I hate to jinx myself like that because it's common. It always does. But so far, the drilling, this year has been really critical to me being consistent and accurate, and not needing to warm up necessarily. So I usually shoot the big target to warm up, a few arrows at one target, and then I'll move to a 4 target so that I can take 4 shots at a time. Easier to evaluate, make some notes on each shot, how it felt, and then compare it to where it went and how accurate it was. And you can usually feel when it feels really good. It's typically a really good shot. When I'm off or I'm having to force it, or if I'm having to pull through too hard because my mechanics are off, then that reflects a lot easier when I'm doing 4 targets, so I can count the arrows. And so that's been super helpful. All right, looking pretty good. So I always start at 20 yards. I mean, I practice short distance at home, but I always start at 20 yards. And if I'm consistently accurate for the first few rounds, I'll go ahead and back it up to 30, 40, 60. And if I'm feeling really good, I'll hit the 3D range. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. All right, let's see what we got. It's a good solid grouping. Looking good.